What the hell is this in your drawers? Big man like you shit up yourself, my God. So what do you have diarrhea? What do you have?
It's a color luminous, but nothing to the drum.
Something wrong with your bottom. It must friggin' lose. What you say?
If you get one good woman where you can wash, you know.
I just really
Oh, you mean it for that, me say? You know me ex would have done wash on this?
What? No,
What?
Stop.
Beer! Beer!
Stop friggin' playing with me.
Baby, it is obvious, you know, that I'm in love with you, girl. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you. Baby, it is obvious, you know, that I'm in love with you, girl. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you.
Welcome back to RASH and NIQUE, peeps. But there I go and hold it, you know. But you want to know if it's today. Look at NIQUE wash. See, I don't know the things that already, you know. I have to have a prank on her. Cause she pranked me one day about she go out the door, she go her road in a half naked things, you know. So watch me and her today. Cause she always go like me can't prank her way. But guess what? When me prank her, always a connect. Cause me not pranky. Just wait for a while and just lick her with something, she ball out. Ja know. So just watch what I go on and watch what I do. You hear that? Yeah, me say, I not carry the peanut butter in the bathroom. So I go take out some pan the knife and go in the bathroom. You don't know the thing set before I spray. I'm brand new drawers, they set up. Brand new. You don't know the thing set. No problem, you know, man. Problem. No, I don't want that. No, it's good. Cannot shit me shit up myself. Bathroom, time, when I deal with you know. You see me, I said. So, look what I want. I show no. I like that it too bright. You know, alright, you know what? Yeah. This must be better now. I eat them. She want a regular peanut butter, you know, it a run. Have a knife. Too much, man. Let's go back and shit me shit up myself. I don't know that. You see it? You don't know. Pick up on yourself, you know, remember, you know. Team Rash. Remember this, Team Rash. You don't know the things said. Go and pick up on yourself till she get mad. Take out them things and put in some more in a machine, so you don't know the things set up.
This so long, you know.
Anytime now, so we watch. Pick up on yourself, remember. Team Rash.
What the fuck? What? What is? What the hell is this? Are you on this? RB. What box is this? Oh, this is nasty. Oof. No, sir. What the hell? Wonder. I could never shit this. Ew. What is? What about Babs?
Yeah!
Babs?
Liquor.
What?
What it? Are your boxes this?
Yeah.
What do you mean, yeah?
So to my boxes and them boxes and me have to them there.
Because this can't fit your L.
Me say I'm my one. You know, see me have one as well.
So what is?
I mean what?
So what is? Me I shit this? I shit this?
What kind of shit you talk about, man?
Babs, what the hell is this in your drawers? No shit this. Don't matter come go out, you don't know. I your drawers. You're supposed to know.
So baby, just take off the thing and go bathe. Me no know what in there.
So what do you have diarrhea one to you?
Me some color me no, but nothing so that happen.
So you couldn't wash out the drawers, you couldn't wash out the boxers?
But me just take off the things and go bathe. Me not looking at the drawers scratches or nothing, man. I want to you.
What do you mean you're not looking at the drawers? You're a big man. Yours not a little picnic. What do you mean you just take off the boxers and then you just put it in the basket with the rest of the clothes them with the shit up drawers with the rest of the
there. Which part you put it?
You have to wash out it, wash it out.
Oh, if you know that, if you wash out, I mean, I know.
Oh, you finna know. Oh, you finna know about that. Oh, you just take off your shit up drawers and shit up yourself. Big man like you shit up yourself, my God.
Shit.
So what the is it?
Yo, leave me alone, man.
Smell this. Smell this. No shit this.
That shit yes, man, but
so all shit reaching in your drawers. All shit reaching in your drawers.
I must say that means skid mark, baby.
Don't play with me. Because right now you gotta take this thing for a damn joke. I mean not laugh.
Just go wash something, man, and I
But now wash not your bread. What cool you to your bread and face it? I used to wash your shit up drawers. Me now wash the shit. Your bread. You wash wash out your drawers and then me wash it. But you can't just leave the shit turn up in the drawers, sir.
Yo,
what kind of nasty this is? You don't say every day I prove more and more say you're nasty. I mean if this is gonna really work out.
What do you mean never work out?
You know what I'm saying? I said, I don't know if this is gonna really work out between me and you.
What me do?
Every day I prove say you're nasty.
What me do? What me do?
Which big man shit up in them drawers?
This that be nice, man. You know shit? You tell it to skid mark this.
Skid mark?
Yeah.
This is not a skid mark.
How are this?
Look there, it pierced on, look there.
Yo, give me my things, man. They just had work on knives and all them sitting other people in the house. I want to.
Jesus.
Just wash your sit, man.
Don't play with me. Don't play with me. You hear me I tell you? Don't play with me. What kind of nastiness that you come throw drugs in my... You want me to slap it in your face? You want me to slap it in your face? Don't play with me.
Here.
I hear shit. I hear shit. Where if you come throw...
Why you a wash?
Why if you come throw this shit in my face? You don't see I get very bright? I get very bright. I get very bright. Don't play with me, yeah? Wash your shit up drawers. Here, take your dirty drawers.
So you not wash?
You know easy.
You not?
Me not wash it. Me not wash it. You know here. I'm not washing that. You go wash out the skid mark and I will wash it. Me not have no problem for washing. But when you do nastiness like this, we have to leave the shit just brawl in the drawers. So.
Oh, if you know said shit in my drawers. Oh, if you know said skid mark in my drawers. Me never shit up myself.
Oh, so me if you know.
So now you wash.
Hey.
Now you examine the clothes them. Where can you step up and put in there? Where you examine clothes for? Eh? You examine them?
You know why me examine the clothes? Because the last time I wash, and you left your passport in your pocket and your pants and it wash and you cuss and go and bad and say, oh, me wash your passport and me mash up your thing.
No, me fi cuss and galan back because you know fi watch.
Cuss me and galang
Yeah,
bad?
you know fi wash your passport. You know fi wash this.
Cuss me and galang bad, I say.
Go wash this.
Me now wash it.
Aye.
Me now wash it. You move your nasty self, you look a dirty
Come
self.
forget to a good woman where can wash, you know.
I just really
What you mean if that me say? If I try a woman and even say nothing else, wash out and use all brush and all that something there.
So when a blood clot, go and go get her then. Go on. There's the door. There's the door right there. Go on. Oh, you not move yet. Oh, you not move yet.
You see you? You see you?
Oh, you don't move yet.
It's all good, man. You not even ask if I sick or something or you just come and start.
I asked you. You said, oh, a skid mark. And you eat callaloo. And then they tell me. You say, a callaloo, do it. So make callaloo wash your drawers.
See, never look at. Let's go wash the thing.
But find a girl, get that shit out of my face.
Wash
now.
the thing.
Get that shit out of my face and I'm not playing with you now. I'm not playing with you. I'm not playing with you. You is nasty. No big man.
Don't
big man.
Don't
do not. You're supposed to check your drawers. Me not leave my drawers and skin out with things in there.
Babe, me just take out my clothes up. I'm just go babe.
If me see my period and look at blood catch my panty, me wash up my panty before me even put it on the dirty clothes. That is nasty. And from this day forward, you need to check your drawers. Because something wrong with your bowels, your body loose.
Yeah, we are chatting.
I'm talking to you.
How we are chatting?
Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Something wrong with your bottom. It must friggin' lose. What you do with your bottom, me not know. Because why your drawers shit up, sir?
Come on.
No, me not. Come out. You come out and go wash your drawers. You come out and go wash your nasty drawers. And that me I tell you. I don't get bright with me.
Stop your knife.
No, I'm not stopping knife. You go find your girl where I go wash it, because I'm not washing that shit.
Ah, yeah, Fido. Get that washing brush with little blue.
Stop telling me what me do, because of that you gonna do. Will you direct me and I give you direction? Me don't want the direction.
Put your hands up.
Me don't want the direction. Me not even look on you. Me not even look on you, because this is sad. This is sad. For a big man like you. Me I expect that from Ural, not you, bro.
A year alone.
That's not Ural drawers. That's not Ural. Oh, what you know? All of a sudden, a Ural one now. You so saying I'm nothing, boy?
Yo, tap your knife, man.
Why you blame the nastiness from my pitney? Don't blame the nastiness from my pitney. Take fault for your nastiness.
What kind of nastiness? People for shit are nastiness. Where about there?
I have to go find the next man, because me can't deal.
But me have to go find the next woman because
I don't care, then go on.
You know me ex would have just wash out this.
Oh, your ex would have wash it.
What you mean?
Me like your ex, I'm there now. You talk about ex.
Yo,
ex.
Wallis.
You hear what the key word is ex?
Wallis, I'm gonna
go and find your ex. No, No, you're not finding no movie in here. Go on. Where phone there? Go call your ex. Where your phone there? Where phone there? Call your ex. Call your ex. Make sure come wash it. Call your ex. A matter of fact, now you better call nobody. Go on to her. Go on to her. Because me now wash no dirty drawers. With shit.
You know what?
But skid, whatever you want to call it in there. You is nasty.
You.
Are
you for wash it?
Me nasty?
No, me hear that.
Go look at the dirty clothes right now. Wash me, I go wash it now.
No, me hear that.
I may start out the clothes.
No, me hear that. No, me hear that. Me ask you a question. No, me hear that. No, you wash your clothes them.
I don't know about me and you. I don't know about me and you there. You don't just tell me about X. You just tell me about your
Me never tell you so many ex. Me say the ex would have washed it out.
Like me care about your ex.
The ex would have washed it out.
Okay, good for you and your ex. Why you left her?
Go wash this, man.
Why you left her? If I your ex, why you left her?
Go wash it, man.
You shouldn't leave her. You shouldn't leave her.
Watch it, man.
You shouldn't leave her. Go wash out your nasty
Me nah wash out nothing. Me nah wash out nothing.
Yes, you are. I bet you are. You're not have no dress for you. I bet you. You want bet? Say that the dress for you in this.
Me have drawers in it for
your
clean.
balls are going to swing left to right in this.
Are you for washing?
Me not wash no drawers. Me not wash it. Me not care where you want.
You say you're not good woman. You're not good woman.
You're great woman. This is where you. Me not care where you want. I care below zero. Where you want. I care below zero.
And take time, babe. You see
I care below zero.
You come go on. You come Ray and Ray and just go come out and
I care below zero. I care below zero.
Well, listen, man.
No. You're not saying me have things in here. You're not.
Well,
Stop.
Babe. Babe.
Hey!
Smell it.
Stop!
Smell it. Smell it.
Stop!
Smell it.
What's up? Freaking play with me! Stop freaking playing with me, yo!
So you get serious?
Yo, leave me alone, man. Leave me alone. You're you're so freaking nasty, bro. You're so freaking nasty.
Yo, Chacha, you don't know the things that you know. Me have go for an hour. Me have go for an hour.
I'm never put Dutch Johnson on my face, bro. This I'm gonna read is I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this. Where come over?
Well, if a prank, baby. A prank, baby.
Stop playing with me, yeah?
Ah.
Feel my out, I'm gonna first. Yo, you think something I'm playing with you? What the hell is this?
Eh?
What is? What is?
This. Ba. Yeah.
Take your dirty drawers and leave me alone.
Smell nice. It smell nice, baby.
I'm not playing with you. Leave me alone.
It smell nice,
Leave
baby.
me alone. Come in now who you think you're prank. Leave me alone.
Can I put in that, baby?
Leave me alone.
Put it there, sir.
Leave me alone. Me not wash it, you know. You better come get your dirty drawers from out here. Me not
Yeah, a
wash
prank.
it. Me not wash it.
A prank.
I'm not a prank.
What do you mean a prank?
So-
Smell it. If it does smell like almond,
So why when it smells, it smell like doodoo?
Can I put a fart spirit on it?
No man.
yo. Almond butter man with
Jesus,
with a fart
no. What is me never 13 years married and I never see a dirty drawers with
Yeah,
skid
man.
mark and them
Yeah.
somebody in there.
You see?
I mean, say all of a sudden this man just walk a shit up himself. I want to you.
Yeah, I saw it go, man. Me no prank all the while, but me prank it connect.
Connect me blow.
You want to fight, man, but your heart
I
and
don't
beat fast
care.
and all them something there.
Yeah, because you're not saying I throw your dirty shit up drawers in my face.
Babes, don't know the thing set, you know. Me strike again.
Strike
Me
my
strike
box.
again. Me strike again. Watch out.
Stop playing with me.
You know me ex that I wash out it, don't? Real talk. Should
I don't give a shit about your ex. Go call her.
Should I put blue soap
Go
on it?
call her. Go call your ex. Your ex should have there. Your ex there? So you come tell me about ex for. Your ex not live here. Your ex not there. I'm there now. I'm not wash none. So you better get your rag and soap and your blue soap or whatever you want out and come wash your shit.
Babes, you don't know, you know. It's another one.
You
Me
play too
tired.
much.
Me tired, me not lie. The one who want to fight me for my
No,
drawers.
you play too damn much. I'm not playing.
She fight for my drawers, you know. Yes. she want wear it. She a fight for me. She a fight me. Damn. What's up, baby? Mwah. You know my ex that I wash out if you show though.
Come, lick this. Lick off this.
You don't know it's another one, you know. RASH strike again. Cause the mall is a go on and a go on and a go on and a go on and a.
Please.
You don't know the things that you know. Remember, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Team Rush. Team Rush, Pete.
Team need come beat him up.
Gotcha. And talk about art a beat fast and all them something.
Yeah, because myself, what the hell is this now? Pardon me. And then you get bright part of it and come talk about you need to wash this, you need to wash out this. Instead you say, yo, my bad beers, you know, say my belly that run or whatever the case might be, I'll just wash out the panty. Your panty.
She always
Wash out the
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Wash out the drawers. You wash out your boxers. You come talk about me for go wash it all of that thing there. Like say you have maid service in here. You're right. Go wash your own dirty drawers. Wash out your do the stain.
Wash that, man. It's like what?
I love you. I would do anything for you, but that me not doing that. Especially now.
Yeah.
No.
Wash out that and tap nice, man.
Wash your drawers and then you come and wash it.
She sort out them things. And you can't put me things in a this color, you know. Cause my thing clean.
Yeah. Come man, move up. Me know for wash. Come tell me what me for do. Before you go take your dirty drawers and go wash it. And that's if you do.
We have to say to people. We have to say. Team Rush. Don't know the thing.
Team Rush is nothing, okay? Team Rush is nothing.
Team Rush. Team Rush. You don't know the thing set, you know. So what?
Team NIQUE.
Boy, your heart a beat.
Team NIQUE and NIQUE box. Boy, with them shit up back. I wanna shit up back.
But show that in your face. I me first do it. Say something now? I me first do it. But I don't know the thing set, you know. Yeah. Feel good idea. Yeah, man. Bust up our head, you know? So you don't know the thing as we say?
It's okay, because I'm going to get your ass. I always do.
As we say?
I want to know that too. Team NIQUE all day, every day. I want to give one bust up and it's still Team NIQUE.
As we say? Remember.
I'm not go for that.
Like, share, subscribe, comment, tell a friend to tell a friend. Say, who are there, baby?
NIQUE.
Rush alone.
NIQUE.
Rush and NIQUE. You don't know the thing set. In another one. Yeah. Remember, do the right thing.